100% return on your investment in just 3 years. Sounds too good to be true? Stay with us, and we will convince you in 3 minutes. This isn't a vision of the future, nor a transformation of an old city. It's a 300 square kilometers of reality, here and now. But where is this place that promises such high returns and modern-day luxuries? What if we told you about a city already flourishing with next generation? A city where metro trains already glide through the skyline. Where wide roads like boulevards of opportunity stretch into the horizon. Picture already functioning expansive parks, a prestigious golf course, and state-of-the-art convention centers. And in months, not years, you will see some of the largest infrastructure projects unfold. Imagine the largest airport in India, better than any international airport you have ever visited, just 10 minutes away from your home. A 20 kilometers long 6-lane expressway bridge, largest in India, that will take you to Metro City in just 20 minutes. A sprawling smart city with IT parks and scenic coastal roads. Each a pillar of growth, collectively pushing this city into an investment stratosphere. Have you guessed it yet? This city is real, thriving, and within your reach. It's a dream transformed into concrete reality by visionary infrastructure projects. And the best part? Property prices are already on an upward spiral. Yes, it's Navi Mumbai. The dream of a new Mumbai is no longer just a dream. It's a rapidly appreciating reality, thanks to strategic infrastructure development. Need more proof? Look no further than the recent land auctions by the local government. In just the last 1 year, bids for land in many areas have already doubled. Navi Mumbai isn't just promising a bright future, it's delivering it now. 100% returns in 3 years isn't just a possibility. In Navi Mumbai, it's happening. This is your chance to be part of this extraordinary growth story. Don't just watch it unfold, be an investor in it. Navi Mumbai awaits. But before you race to open your laptop and search for top projects, hold that thought. Achieving 100% return in 3 years is not just about searching, it requires insight, research, and strategic planning. And here's where we come in. Welcome to GeoSquare, an artificial intelligence-driven platform focusing on India's real estate industry. Think of us as your compass in the world of property investment. With land prices skyrocketing and Sitco auction bids doubling in some areas, the proof is tangible. But to truly harness this wave of growth, you need more than just data. You need a strategy. And that's why GeoSquare is here. Don't just watch this unprecedented growth, be a part of it. Subscribe to our channel for a series of insightful videos on Navi Mumbai. We'll guide you to properties not just promising but delivering 100% returns. Join us at GeoSquare and turn your investment dreams into reality. Navi Mumbai isn't just a location, it's your next big investment move. Stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together.